Welcome to Haermes Employee Self-Service. Introduction to Leave module. On this page, you will see the list of menus. On the left side, you can access. First, navigate to Leave module. Current leave transaction list the currently ongoing leave transactions. History leave transaction list the past leave transactions. Leave balance list the information of the employee's remaining amount of leave balance. 2018 Other leave transaction list all the approved leave transaction in the year of 2018. The year will be generated based on the actual current year. Past other leave transaction list all the approved leave transactions in the previous year or older. Calendar view will navigate you to the calendar module. The purpose of this module is to show the view of leave transaction directly from the calendar. Leave balance viewer will navigate you to the leave balance viewer menu. It will show the current leave balance of the employee and its subordinates. Pending leave transaction will navigate you to the menu of pending leave transaction approval and pending leave transaction approved. It will show you the leave transaction where you are assigned as the approver. New leave will navigate you to the form to create a new leave transaction.